Welcome, my name is Nurjanah binti Kamaruzaman. My ID number 950421145001. Okay, today I would like to invite you to understand more about chanting batik, a technique that combines art and skill, making each stretch an invaluable creative expression. Okay, in this recording, I will explain the enchanting process. Let's explore the beauty of this batik art together. The batik wearing process is one of the most special parts of traditional batik making chanting. It itself is a tool used to draw motif on a fabric by using hot wax liquid. Here are the steps in the batik enchanting process. Okay, first, fabric preparations. The fabric used is usually made of a cotton or silk, which is then cleaned with warm water to remove dirty and oil on the surface of the fabric. The fabric is bleached using natural bleaching agents, usually using better lime water, so that the color is bright and the fabric fiber are more ready to absorb color. Okay, the second part, design formation. Design or batik motif are usually drawn first on paper and then transferred to fabric using pencil or chalk. Some batik prefer to directly draw motif on the fabric without a basic pattern. Batik motif can be diverse, such as a flower geometry or other natural motif. The design must be observed carefully because it will later affect the direction and technique of the selection. Okay, for the next step, pinning a process. Chanting is a small tool that consists of a small container to hold liquid wax and a small tip that can be hit. Usually, this chanting is made of metal, and at the end there is a small channel that allows the liquid wax to flow onto the fabric. Okay, the fabric will dip the tip of the chanting that has been filled with hot wax into the liquid wax that has been heated to the right consistency. Carefully, the batik begins to curve the wax of the fabric following the design lines that has been drawn. The process requires preparation and skill because the chanting must be used gently and steadily so that the extra wax forms a clear and precise line. Sometimes batik weaver need to repeat that chanting process several times to emphasize the line of the motif, especially on a complete motif. The next step for a dyeing process. After the chanting process is complete, the fabric will be dyed in a dye solution, usually natural or synthetic dyes. The part of the cloth covered with wax will not absorb the dye, while the other part will be colored according to the use after dyeing the fabric is dried. The process can be repeated to achieve the desired color. If the batik design involves more than one color, the fabric will be dyed in various colors according to the part of the motif that are to be dyed. The dyeing process can be done several times to get a more complete color effects. Okay, the next wax release. Wax removal after the dyeing process is a complete. The wax covering the fabric should be removed. This is done by heating a cloth or soaking it in hot water until the wax melts and can be lifted. Fabric that has been waxed will be washed to clean wax residue that may stick outside the design line. Okay, the finishing process ironing. The finished batik fabric will be ironed to smooth to surface of the fabric. After ironing, the fabric will be dry again to ensure that a residual liquid and moisturizer is gone. Ultimate finish. Batik fabric can be used of a variation product such as clothes, tablecloths or other accessory. This batik embroidery technique is a combination of art and technical skill. Each motif produced not only has aesthetic value but also carries a deep meaning and a story. By understanding this technique, we not only preserve cultural heritage but also appreciate the creativity that exists in each piece of a batik cloth. Through the batik, we can express our identity and diverse culture wealth. Okay, the beauty of batik lies not only it is a color and motifs, but also in the long and attentive process carried out over experience. Batik makes this process altruistic and the wealth of the traditional passion and priceless creativity. Okay, bye bye and thank you.